Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with this demo. So this file is being generated and filled with random data. This is the title of the name, like whatever the agency name you can enter in here. I can turn this to red so that you can identify this is to be changed. Then this column, this row is the description of the columns, like name, the client's prospect name. You can always keep it or we can always hide it as well. So this is just to explain the DC number, whatever it is, the Department of Contract Correction number, description of the legal requirement, and the yes, no, we can remove this. I have added another column, the signing date, which is the date of signing the contract. So you can use this separately, and I have separated from here to another column. Then paid amount, owed, and I have given the drop down as required. We can always remove these description, the example thing, so that we can always keep this current status of the case. Maybe after some time you don't need this row and you can simply see whatever it is, the status. Then the due date is also being added. Now the functionalities. You can always enter any text in here. Numbers which are typing, obviously manually entered. The case description, whatever the description is there, you can always type in here. Then the drop down. So yes, no, I have linked these drop downs with the tab called DD, and these are the drop downs. And let me mark those boxes like this. Of this one. All right. So I have created a box up to 10 rows just to show you that you can you can enter any text in here and that will get represented on the drop down under the contract tab, contract column, sorry. Then the status column. If you want to increase any status column like pending or delayed, anything, if you'll type in here, just like this, maybe I'll type random number YN. And if you'll go back there, you will find that number in here. The text you can select in here. So this is completely editable and you can always enter any text. Similarly for the status, you can see pending and delayed are also there. But if you don't want to keep those numbers, you don't want to keep those options, we can always delete that. But you can always add up to 6 to 7 more. You can increase the number of entries as well. Similarly with the delayed one. Then there is another option that in the date of signing column or the due date column, you don't need to enter manually, like 18th September. You don't need to type in like this. You just need to double click on it and a calendar will pop up and you can simply select the month and select the date. So this is easy selection, easy picking. Then also I have added the currency thing, which is in dollars. So I'll add a dollar sign in here. And I don't know what number to be entered. So I have manually filled in with random numbers. Or maybe it's making some sense, or maybe the amount. I don't know if the remaining amount to turn red if something is if the number is very high or maybe negative or positive. So we can add more columns to this as well. Again, the requirement for the number of rows can be added as much as you need. Currently, there are 1,000 rows, which can be increased at like add another 1,000, so it will become 2,000. But keep it low so that the uh, the file size will remain short and the speed will be better. Again, to share the files, I know that I hope that you know how to share the file, so you can simply go to this share button and from here you can select the options whether you want to share the file with specific persons or you want to keep it open for anyone. So these are the two options available. You can always add the email addresses and names to assign and the person will get the emails as soon as they will get the access to it. So that is it from my side. I hope this is what you need and please do let me know so that we can proceed accordingly. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.